to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. And expectations are rising, and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Tricky, but Karim Benzema. What impresses me about the Frenchman is his willingness to keep going for the team, even on days when it's not as fluid. And I think that has a knock-on effect, and it sets the tone for that little bit of extra grittiness.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Well, we're underway. Fabinho. And it's Conte. Strong running down that left flank. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. And that is played back to front. And it's Benzema. Good spot, he's seen the run. Threads one in, back in one, climbs up big! Goal! Al-Ittihad!
Al-Ittihad clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Al-Ittihad break through nice and early, just as they wanted it. Goes forward. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
And he's had it nicked away. Al-Wahdah is the guilty party there. Al-Wahdah. Diaby was steaming forward. Oh, that's a key interception. Long ball by the goalkeeper. Moved on forwards.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Danilo Pereira. That's a good run down the left. Strong challenge. That could leave a mark. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. It's a promising position.
Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
Conte. It's a good run down the left-hand side. Bergwijn. And he's managed to get free. And that's a good intervention. Well, the counter could be on here. Oh, can he get onto this? He's played it long. And he cuts out the supply. He is through here. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And now the hit! Decent enough try.
Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious.
He's fizzed it forward. Well timed, excellent interception. Benzema. Bergwijn. Oh, it's come loose. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh, nicely intercepted. Now it's Diaby. And he welcomes it in. Oh, that was vital. Bergwijn. Bergwijn. He has found the way through. Bergwijn! And kept out by the most elastic of saves.
Bergwijn clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
No way through there. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Gently done. And it's played forward.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
Bergwijn. Forwards and with intent. Looking for options for movement. Forward it goes. Well, they could break here. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. There's the half-time whistle. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1-0.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Al-Ittihad leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. And we're already back underway here.
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
It's run loose here. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. And he's going to have his name taken. That has been knocked clear.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter, we've seen at one of those raking passes just to spread the play.
And that has put paid to that. He's got the shot away! Good play on the left-hand side here. Just eases him off the ball. Gets his pass away. He's shifting through the gears here. And that has left him in a heap. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Fiddles it through. That's a corner kick. Goes to finish! Goal!
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten. The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Look, get your seatbelts on because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
And back to the goalkeeper. No, that's been intercepted. Caught offside that time. Bergwijn driving forward. No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Aouar. It's come through and he's had a quick look inside. Great leap! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
That was a good run. The defence looked beaten there. Bergwijn, who does have an assist to his name, shifted upfield. And the defence can get it clear. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Oh, can he get onto this? Played out to the left flank. Oh, that's well done, really robust.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit.
He's going for goal! Oh no, that could be a costly miss.
It's a very watchable game, isn't it? Any goal from here could well be the winner.
Looking for the runner. That's a nicely measured pass.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Fabinho. Diaby. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. Passing is crisp and sharp. Pass just lacking in accuracy. That is a great ball. Shot a goal! It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Time added on will be 2 minutes. Aimed in towards the centre. And that's that.